It's really kind of neat when you can take somebody, especially someone that hasn't boated before, they buy a boat, you take them out, you show them how everything works, they have great family fun, and they're happy. You know, it's a good experience, and seeing that on people's faces, those smiles, is just something it's worth doing. We send boats all over, sometimes all over the world, but you know, we do specialize in the Northwest boats. People coming in, they're looking for something that is an all-purpose boat. They don't want something just for fishing or just for cruising. They want something they can do anything with now. So the aluminum boats have kind of taken over the market a little bit more than the fiberglass boats. And then of course we back them up with great motors. We have Yamaha and we have Honda. But we also have a full service department, which is nice because when you do have customers that buy boats, they want a place that they can trust, go back and have their service done. Along with that, we have a full parts department. We have a marina next door that has dry storage, which is a plus for us. A lot of our customers keep their boats in there. So a pretty wide spectrum of things that boaters need, those are the things that we do here.
Well, Tom and Jerry's, they've got a great service department. They're very personable people. They really take care of you. This is my second boat I've bought from Kelly. It really handles the water for the type of fishing that I do. They've really done a great job of servicing me.
Well, I've had a total of about 5 boats. We bought a Kingfisher, a 25-25. The people in here, all of them are the same. They treat you like family, and we feel very much at home here. And if I have any problems, they jump to it. They fix them.
One of the things that we're really good about in our sales department is finding out how that customer is going to use that boat. We get them the right boat. They go out, they use it, they're creating memories with that boat. That brings a lot of joy, not just on their part, but our part too, because we know that we've done our job. You know, I can remember as a kid, and a lot of people the same way, when you went camping with your mom and dad or your grandma and grandpa and you're sitting around the campfire. Those are memories that last forever. Those are the good times. If you get a boat, you're going out and you're having fun, your family's going to remember that, you know, for years to come. And that's important to us to make sure that that is a lasting memory.